first thing we're going to do will be to create pages. So before we do this, we need to rename the sample page as the home page and create other pages. So before we create pages, the first thing will be we'll go to the dashboard and click on pages. Then we'll rename the sample page and call it the home page and create other pages along with it. So let's go to the sample page. So just come to pages and click on pages. So this is where we are. So click on sample page. That is the first page that appears when you open to your website. So sample page appears here. Click on that, rename it to home page. Then click on pages again, then add new page. So add new page. So I'm clicking on add new page. So here I will say about us. About us. So you can see we're not writing any code. So when you click, you just say publish. Publish. So this is publishing it. So you now go back again. You can view the page if you want. The system will tell you how it will look like. Are you seeing it? Huh? Then I will now return back. If I go to first choice, I can return back to dashboard. Then I will click on. So just continue adding more. I'll go back again to another page and I will add a new page. So we can now view all our pages. So all our pages should look like this: about, contact, home, Kaduna branch, Lagos branch, location, services. What we intend to bring Kaduna and Lagos branch under location. We can do a lot here, customize, but we can still go straight to menus. Let's go to menus and see, just to finish around the menu section. Add to menu. You wait for it to add. So they will be added to the main menu list. So you see, they've been brought to the right hand side here. So we can now change the position the way we want it. Okay, now we want Lagos to be under location. That has become a sub menu under location. We also want Kaduna to be a sub menu under location. That's how you do it. So you don't need to write any code. I drag Kaduna further, it becomes a sub menu under Lagos. But if I drag it to align here, it becomes two of them become a sub menu under location. You start dragging them to rearrange the way you want it. So for example, I'm going to take home over. I'm doing this so that you really see how to play around. Then take contact. Contact is supposed to be the end. After home, we should have about us. Then maybe location. So we can leave it like this. So it will now become home, about us, location, services, contact. Maybe you do that. You click on save menu. You click on save menu. Click on save menu. And you can now view your website again. Click on it to view your site. So you now have, see, it's looking nice now. Click on about us to see whether you will see your article. My article is appearing. You see your website is almost ready. And click on your location to see whether you see your article. Your article is there. So services and contact.